Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing lip swatches of all 6 new Luxe lipsticks from Colourpop Spring Collection. So if you want to see how the lipsticks look on me, then just keep watching. Seven Springs is such a beautiful, like muted orange color. I think this is such a beautiful sort of shade for the spring. Ignore my awful application. The shade is definitely one of my favorites. This is Flower Season. It is such a beautiful red toned, like slightly pink. It's honestly so pretty. Next we have You're Thriving, which is a beautiful muted rose sort of shade. Again, ignore the terrible application, but this is You're Thriving, and I honestly love it. I mean, I love all these shades, but this is such like a pretty shade, and I could honestly see myself wearing this all the time in the spring and summer. To remove my lipsticks, I'm using the Nivea Micellar Water and some Joe Fresh cotton brown things. Second to last, we have the shade Tea Time, which is, I don't know, I'd say this is like a brownie reddy color, which totally like makes sense. Oh, I love this color. This is so good. This would actually be like my type of fall shade personally, but I'm in love. This is definitely like a brownish red, but more so like a brown color, I guess. I just love this shade. I've said that about like everything, but the truth is real. Lastly, we have Moody Bloom, which is a berry sort of shade. This is the worst application yet. I like this color. It's definitely more of a berry tone. I think it goes good with my hair though, and it's pretty. It's not my favorite though. I definitely think that I like every other shade more, but this is still cute. So those were the lip swatches of all 6 new Luxe lipsticks from Colourpop's Spring Collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you picked anything up from this collection or if you want to. I bought this with all my own money, so I got the whole collection except for the blushes. I'm pretty hyped to review everything. I do really like this lipstick formula. I haven't really tried out their lipsticks much, but I'm very enticed. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.